29/11/2023. Market is just topped up. We're somewhere here. Trying to close the gap now. Hasn't opened yet. 15 minutes till the open. I'm sitting in the short. I'm trying to target a second leg down before the open. We'll see if that's gonna work. We took longs here. We pushed up. I took shorts out. I have to be patient for the second leg. But if we go higher, up here, then this is not gonna work. Simple. So that's how I need to have a stop loss. The overnight session was just, it's 100% long. Look at it. We closed yesterday here, 100% long. So we could 23% will be here. 38% will be down here. And that could be a target for closing down this gap. Drop longs, overhead resistance if we break that and continue lower. These shorts probably got out a couple of times. They had an opportunity to get out. So but do I want to go at the open? Because at the open this thing can just push, take everybody out, then drop. $8,000 today. GDP 5.2, so it's a good one. Let's see. They did take the longs. They could have continued, but they didn't continue. Should go lower. Minimum here. There's lots of resistance, that's the problem. I mean, support. Ten more minutes. This could be so the gap is the size of this gap is, you have to count that bit basically. 77 to 88, that's 11. So 13 points. That's the gap. 13 points. So theoretically we could go down here. Will I be able to hold it? Let's see. What am I doing? I have to fail here. Go down. I really fucked up yesterday after lunch. I was up 400, I think 80, and I started to trade some stupid stuff. I don't know, I got impatient. I was thinking the market's gonna drop, and I blew up account. One of it. I mean, both of them almost. The second one is still alive. But revenge trading, impatience for not making enough progress. This is how you end. Why the fuck you going up? Can be stopped. Alright, if I'm stop, I'm stop. I just need to be okay. How much do you want to give?
Stop filled.
I stopped. Good. Fine. Leave it. Let it go up if they want to go up. 5 more minutes till the open. Didn't take the 68% Fibonacci from here to there. 68. And my entry wasn't the best. I got stopped out. What market's gonna do now? It's gonna go down, and I'm gonna be out. And I am out already. So it's so important. Look at that. To be so important to be patient and take. Look, if I took that 62%, I would never get there. I took that thing here. And I got stopped. Always 62%. It's the best option. 5 more minutes. Alright. Let's see. So how are we gonna trade this gap? We'll see. Could be a gap and go situation. This failed. It's just so difficult to go along up here. We can get another squeeze. Yeah, I will be stopped here anyway. Okay, that's fine. We are 87, right? Alright, so we're gonna be up there. But here is the gap close. Three more minutes. Sorry. So yeah, on the second leg down, buyers showed up. They pulled that market up. Don't really like this. So if we open in 2 minutes, we try to test this, and then we fail, that will be a good thing. We're gonna go short on that. That's gonna be the open. Let's bring that. Looking going down already. We just want to make sure nobody's in this short. Alright, that's it. 23 seconds. Twelve seconds. Alright, open. Let's see. Tick very high. 1,300. Stupid number. Let's see if they're gonna squeeze at the open. Nice is 4 point something. Now it's 2.6. 2.28, 2.7, 2.29. It looks like it's dropping a little bit. 2.6. This is nice, yeah. It was 4 for a second. Okay, 2.11, 2.24, 234. $2.29. Okay, they went up. This is overnight high. Overnight. Wow. 83. 09. I have to buy.
Order submitted.
Take that. No matter what. We're gonna push for this. Okay, I don't see it. We took the overnight high. Yeah, fuck that. I mean, now we just need to see if we're gonna drop below or not. If we don't, I have to close. We have to drop below. So everybody was long. It's happy. It's holding. It's holding. It is holding. 28-second on this candle. Anki is pushing, everybody's pushing. Russell's pushing like crazy. Okay.
Order sub.
Yeah, pushing. Kurwa. This candle close at the top and you're shorting it. Yeah, fucking squeezing it. Tick chart is going down. So there's a chance I can get out from this.
Target filled.
Alright, go out. Let's see. It's a first pullback. Theoretically, I should be buying this pullback, but fucking hell. Buy this. 491. Probably not. Should be long. Could drop as well, obviously. But I think the momentum is to the upside now. Nice is 2.67, 272. Delta pushing. Should be long in this thing. what we're looking at. No gap. No gap fight so far. That's where we're going. Possibly. It's August. 1st of September. Mm. 2,400 delta. Look at that. All up. Still cheap. Tick chart still has to hit the zero first. If I can go up. Just look at Tesla. Tesla opened, could almost close the gap. Pushed Amazon. Okay. Just watch this. What? I think I'm gonna bring financial juice here because they do like to talk. Matt Diamond said something about rate hikes. Yeah, JP Morgan CEO Diamond. I think there's a higher chance than others of a rate hike. He fucking says this here right now. Like what market is doing.
And Diamond says I still think there's a chance of a soft landing.
Well, yeah, we did target 0 line. Should be long. Straight technically. 46. It's looking good now. Oh, bounce. The second leg up. Can fucking go. Another squeeze. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Squeezing. Some absorption here. He has made new high and Q hasn't done it. Ooh, got some selling.
Treasury 2-year yield falls 10 basis points on the day to 4.63%.
4,500 delta. I think we're gonna get a second leg up. Go down, grab this, and start going up again. Because now they took out shorts. Ah. Go down a little bit. Grab the liquidity. A lot of volume. 20,000, 17,000, 11,000, 14,000. Ten point squeeze. Yeah, somewhere here will be nice. Drop somewhere here. And go up. We'll see. Matt Diamond dropped that thing. Be don't like the we so fuck.
Israeli official says any additional ceasefire agreement would be conditional on the release of all women and children hostages.
Not much. Another 3 points. We're very close. We could be, turning around. Seven more minutes. Pushing. Still. Picture at almost 800. Let's see. gonna take that on that one push. 5 more minutes. 2,400, 3,300. Tick chart 865. There we go. I just fucking touched. Go
Order
short.
submitted.
Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna do now. Are we gonna continue higher?
At 10:05 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from Bank of England's Bailey, who delivers remarks at the 50-year anniversary of the London Foreign Exchange Joint Standing Committee.
Tick chart got to 1,000, right? Yeah. I don't know. Some stop losses bursting. Let's see, because this could be stay a bit early. 56, 4 minutes. As usual, I'm getting too early into the trade. No patience though. Not thinking that will be a support. Tick chart is collapsing. 470 from 1,000. Is this gonna be a surprise? Bull trap.
Order filled.
I'll take 5 just in case. But let's see if we can run another 5 and disappoint all these bulls. Grab that liquidity. Could actually give a little bit more. Because I took here, so I paid for my stop loss basically. If we break this volume, this could be a lovely surprise. This could be, but it doesn't need to be. We took the top. Let's not forget about that. 96, 97. So if we took the top, let's just throw a rebar here. Just to I want to see sellers coming in 95. This is big buyer. Big buyer. We got 1 more minute on this candle. And then we'll have stop losses up here. They could push higher to take everybody out. Alright, I'm going
Order
out.
filled.
At 10:05 a.m. Eastern Time, we expect comments from Bank of England's Bailey, who delivers remarks at the 50-year anniversary of the London Foreign Exchange Joint Standing Committee. Seeing a text release from Feds Bostic. Feds Bostic says the economic activity will slow in the coming months and says
This
downward
is short
trajectory
hours.
of inflation will likely continue. Tighter monetary policy is biting harder into economic activity. The US central bank can feel more confident in the current outlook. Feedback points to ongoing disinflation and measured slowdown in economic activity. Feds Bostic says companies' pricing power is diminishing. The path to 2% inflation will be bumpy, but central bank will get there. The US central bank can feel more confident in the current outlook, and I expect downward inflation trajectory to continue.
It does look like they could drop, yeah.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special offer of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price
Order
of 1
submitted.
month
Sure, yeah.
and save 92%.
They're kind of failing to push this up, but they will still push it. But I think it's time to go down. Because this move is crazy.
US and Brent
It's crazy
oil
move
futures
up.
turn negative after rising over $1 a barrel earlier in the session.
I wouldn't be surprised to hear some bad news now. Yep. Trying one more time.
Fed's Barkin says revised consumer spending data is more consistent with what I am hearing on the ground.
So we're going down. So, alright then. Let's see. So basically what they did, they just pushed through the stop losses. And I think this market needs a little bit of pullback. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, panic kicks in. Panic kicks in. I just wish I was having more. Might just go down here now.
Fed's Barkin says I'm hearing consumers are slowing down but not falling off the table. And Fed's Barkin says I am skeptical that price setters at this point have gone back to where they were pre-COVID.
Nice. And this will kick off the panic. For sure. We can get down here. Three more seconds on this candle. Closing the bottom. payment comes in. Have to add somewhere here.
Order submitted.
If we can.
Order.
Too late. Panic, 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 panic. 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 Let's go, let's go, let's go, lower, 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 lower.
Order failed.
That was a good trade. That was a good trade, right? Not bad at all.
And we have posted Bank of England Governor Bailey's full speech on the feed for all those interested.
Okay, what next?
Fed's Barkin says 5.2% GDP growth tells businesses that they can keep trying to raise prices.
Yeah, looks like we're back. That was a good trade. Always targeting the open. I closed just before. Still selling. I think we're gonna continue lower.
Bank of England's Bailey says exchange rates can buffer against shocks. And Bailey says forex markets are vulnerable in periods of stress. And Fed's Barkin says I'm skeptical for being on track for 2% inflation.
So this can continue.
And Barkin says a lot of services
Lower.
prices are still going up, driven by wages. I'm still looking to be convinced on inflation, says Barkin. And Barkin says I am not willing to take another rate hike off the
Bulls are
table.
trapped here terribly.
And Fed's Barkin says I want the option of doing more on rates if inflation flares up again. Money markets fully price 110 basis points of ECB rate cuts in 2024.
All right. Seen it before. Seen this pattern before.
Fed's Barkin says markets and the Fed have been having forecasting battles.
Panic, basically panic. Okay, let's wait for a nice pullback and we'll try to.
Fitzbarkin says, I believe inflation will be more stubborn than we'd like. And Barkin says, talking about rate cuts is premature.
Technically speaking, this is gap close. There will be a gap close from yesterday. But the level we're talking about somewhere here.
So the S&P 500 starting a downward trend, still up 0.35%.
Still holding down. It just collapse really. Give me a bit of pullback. Back to this level. Fuck. Who was that? Oh. Big volume today.
Fed's Barkin says market bets on 4 rate cuts next year might be based on expectations for a soft landing. I hope they are right.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
How can I get into that thing? 13 or 15. We might get some consolidation here. Let's be patient. Closed a little bit gap. Give me a pullback up here. couple of buyers coming in. It's really hot. Oh shit, still going down. You have to get in, there's no other way.
KBW Regional Banking Index up 2.6%.
Let's wait. How about back to open?
Taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index, 67 out of 100 equaling greed, and the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, 72 out of 100 also equaling greed.
Give it time. You're not gonna get in. You're not gonna get in. It's alright. You are sitting on 416. That's not a bad result. So weak, so weak. Just can't hold it. I have to use the opportunity like that. Bounce off that. That's yesterday's top. Alright. Keep going down.
At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the EIA crude oil inventories forecast minus 0.05 million on the prior 8.701 million. Gasoline inventories forecast minus 0.7 million on the prior 0.749 million. EIA distillate inventories forecast -1 spot 342 million on the prior -1 spot 018 million, and crude Cushing inventories prior 0 spot 858 million.
Yeah. I have to be brave. So I took only half of this move. Well, that's the gap close. A bit of buying coming in. Tesla still holding. Amazon closed the gap. Inner gap. And the video sitting here. Microsoft just dumping. Microsoft is dumping. What to think about? Just give it time.
Fed's Barkin says once we get to 2% inflation, we can have a conversation on changing the target. Fed's Barkin says I am open to an inflation target range after we hit 2% goal. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get our weekly EIA data. Crude oil inventories forecast minus 0.05 million on the prior 8.701 million.
Still filming?
Gasoline inventories forecast minus 0.7 million on the prior 0.749 million. Distiller inventories forecast minus 1.342 million on the prior minus 1.018 million. And crude Cushing inventories prior 0.858 million.
We're gonna have stops here.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with EIA crude oil inventories.
Let's see how far I can go.
Fed's Barkin says to lower rates, you'd need to be confident inflation is headed back to 2%.
I wanna go short again.
Do you want to stay up to date with the latest and be on the bleeding edge of news for non-farm payrolls? Then sign up today and get our special
I want
offer
to.
of Financial Juice Pro for a year's worth of our service for the price of 1 month and save 92%.
Cut. And 10 seconds.
I think panic is over. Oh,
Still waiting. Build 1.61 million, 1.61 million. That's higher than the forecasted draw of 0.05 million. Gasoline inventories at 1.764 million, 1.764 million, higher than forecasted draw of 0.7 million. Distillate inventories build 5.217 million, build of 5.217 million, higher than the expected draw of minus 1.342 million, and crude Cushing inventories at build 1.854 million, a build of 1.854 million.
I'm gonna be looking for short only. We'll see.
Inventories in the US Strategic Petroleum Reserve up 0.313 million barrels at 351.587 million barrels.
That is a gap fill reversal.
Crude oil futures little changed after EIA storage report shows a surprise build in US stocks.
Something.
In US stocks,
Along the
pair
line.
gains, S&P 500 up 0.3%, Nasdaq up 0.4%, and the Dow up
Keep going.
0.1%.
Tick shot positive. There's space to go up. The only thing I don't like is that we didn't take that low. We have pull low, but at the same time we took a lot of volume. So now or never to go up. I'll just give a little bit more time. See if we're not gonna take that now. Because this is like a first try to go up. Come on,
Order
Lord,
submitted.
take me in. Take me in, motherfucker. Fucking hell.
Order
Alright,
submitted.
That's okay. 38%. Yeah. Even 50%. Let me see. I could go lower to grab that. If they want to, but actually they have stopped it by themselves, this move. So you have to be very careful now. The panic kind of... Yeah, the panic is over, I think. I think we're gonna get that 38%. Can see buyers coming in. Test of view up here. Oh, that's far. Yeah, but that could happen. Alright, they bought that bottom again.
Order submitted.
I want to try going 5 more. I can get it. No? That's okay.
Order cancelled.
Let's hold it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Would I be shorting this? Probably not. I'm not gonna short market in the house. So 1, 2, this candle Might give us a nice push again somewhere here. We do have trap people up here. That's 23% first, needs to be taken.
Struggling. It is struggling. Could go down, grab that volume, and then come back. Could happen. But we are bouncing off this trapped shorts up here. So they are getting out. Aye. So what are we doing now? Are we giving him more space to grab that? Yeah. Looks like they are buying it. Again. No, not gonna add. Just leave it. Just trying to be brave and actually buy stuff like this because in 15 minutes we're gonna be here. And I'm gonna be like, oh shit. In half an hour we're gonna be here. I'm gonna be like, oh, why I didn't buy that? But I'm gonna leave it. If we drop, I'm gonna buy lower. So they could do that. And then take the market up. Looks like we can do that now. 'It's like one leg down. Push it both here. We can even push to 50. We can even push that up here. 50%. Wouldn't surprise me if we do it. Nice, it's positive. Everything is positive, so we should hold that level and should go up. $44. Finish this candle up here, start new one, and push to 23%. We're gonna close everything here. If we get it, That is a buy. Again.
Order
Should fucking buy
order
that
submitted.
one. Just buy. And don't worry about anything. So we have tested the bottom and they bought it. So we are. It's no place to short for sure. Even if they want to drop, they would prefer to push this first, probably somewhere here to 81. Just don't like that this blue one is coming in here. That's a 50 moving average. It's gonna be a problematic. The first push, so 81. I'll have to be out with everything, or most of it. Just get out with 10, really here,
Order submitted.
and try to keep the rest. Maybe even 15. And hold
Order
the rest
submitted.
in case we push the view up. Just 84. Yeah, they need to lift this first. $47, where are you going? Yeah. Buy that. 48. $81. Let's go. Very weak. I was thinking they might fucking drop lower and then we're gonna go up, so I'm thinking get the fuck out before this blue line comes. Starts to look like this blue one will put the pressure. Just try to get out here. Really. Just get the fuck out. Come on. at least try to touch this blue. Mm-hmm.
Order canceled.
I'm not gonna give it back. Let's see. There we go. Got the blue line.
Order filled.
Not the best trade, but I don't know. Sometimes they stop on this, sometimes they push for it. And I wonder if I should have that 50 moving average on there, because sometimes it blocks me from staying in the trade. But anyway, we took a little bit. Now it's pushing. The most difficult part is that lift off. Look at that. First touch of VWAP 84. Let's see if we're even gonna get there. So I took like 1 point here, another point here. It's all right. Yeah. Gonna take a screenshot of this. Okay, so whoever was short still got some shots here. Pull. And holding. Just put here information as well. Gap close. Actually. Look at that. Okay. There'll be another entry. Drop here and go 78.
Order submitted.
See if you get it. 58. Okay, so they have 2 more minutes.
Order canceled.
Could there'll be a short first of that level. That's pretty much the open, right? Ah, fuck, why I wasn't holding this? It's hard to hold stuff against a drop like this. Okay, so we got 40 seconds on this candle. I'll be at top of the period B. And I could use that. I can go down, grab this volume, and then we're gonna go up. So there's two possibilities. What's the internals? 254. 252. Tick chart below. To the level what I wanted to buy. Go and buy 5.
Order submitted.
This is the place when the market should bounce off. And I was late. They go down here.
Order canceled.
They can go and grab that. Or we push higher. Or we just continue lower. That's the danger. No, market internals are telling me, tick chart. Nice. It's still buy. It is still buy, and this is the pullback. So if you didn't get that long here, it was too risky. That's the pullback where you can take it. But technically speaking, smaller risk. And we could drive that even up here if they want to. 4 p.m. London time. It's 11 o'clock New York. Yeah, 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, that's a long. That is a perfect long. And the second leg to the view up. Looks like they've decided what I was thinking about, that they could just dump it, grab this volume, and we'll see. But I think with this $500, it's actually 552. This is from yesterday when I killed my account. 552 is not bad. We are in profit. Well, let's see Once they grab this volume, what they got again? Okay, so we had this 32% push. Let's not forget the market. Did you want to go higher? I sold. I think we're just gonna go to the bottom. Take that stops. And you should really jump on that.
Order
thing, and that's
submitted.
it. Let me just go and grab this top. There's liquidity below. But my entry is terrible. But if I hold enough, the first shorts will close, but the longs will panic. They will be closing because they can see the market is going down to grab the stop losses, and they're going to be closing as well. Let's just hold it. Give me 5. Give me a 5.
Order submitted.
Just 5, close 5 here. Dump it. Ugh, fuck off.
Order
No.
filled.
No. Not gonna hold it. Not gonna hold this thing. No. Bad entry. Had to get out. Just think I just rip. Most likely will go down, but my entry was really bad. Okay, now stop losses burst. Okay, so I'll be out here. 136. And now I can buy that and continue up, or I can just continue down. Because now they have the liquidity. That's it. They have made this 38% almost. Fucking hell. What's this? Ooh. Patience. 3,395. This one was 3,700. I think it's collapsing now. Okay, I'm gonna
Order.
show this. Panic kicks in. What do we see here? It's just overnight volume.
So we're seeing
Let's
here the
continue.
S&P 500's pairing its gains. It's now only up 0.15% on the session. So again, no news catalyst on the last couple of legs down, but these comments have been from Fed's Barkin, have been moving down the S&P 500 this morning.
Just keep selling. No. Buyers are stepping in. Looks like buyers are stepping in. Fucked. See. Momentum is to the downside for sure. We could continue.
Order filled.
Fuck. Are we gonna be stopped? Give me more space. Mm.
Order filled.
Bah, 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 bah. Yeah. What's the problem here? I think yeah, I made some money today. Don't want to lose anything. That's the thing. Don't want to overstay. At the same time, this has got, a second leg down would be pretty decent. It would be here. Yeah, there would be somewhere here, down here. Yeah, could go down there. But not pushing higher.
Order submitted.
Try. I'm gonna try and hold this now. Hopefully we break. Alright, let's hold this. We might just get out like one by one. Come on, don't go back up. Just dump it. Ah. Alright, fuck it. I need to give him a little space. No. There's no way. It's on a tight stop like this. It's not gonna work.
Order filled.
One.
Order
One.
filled.
Drop. Good.
Order filled.
Come on, and now we're gonna ride this 7. Okay. How far can we go? Can go quite pretty far on this. We got this. That's the pretty much. Down here, 63. Yeah, just accelerate to the downside. Very nice.
Order.
One here. Another one.
Order
Here.
filled.
Beautiful. That's what we want to see. And now we hold this. This can really collapse. Come on now. Don't go back up. That's the value area. Got fucking big numbers here coming in. 70, somebody's buying. Shorts coming. Shorts coming in. I mean, that's the level we should close, to be honest. But if we're lucky, this will push even lower. To the 461. In the panic mode.
Order
Just gonna
filled.
take one. This volume is building up here. Value area high yesterday. Was that? Yeah.
Deutsche Bank chair says, I see reasons to be positive in 2024.
But that doesn't mean we're gonna. I think I overstayed my welcome here. Why this short? Test this value area one more time.
Protect your trades from macro headline risk with Financial Juice Pro. Now only $99 a year for our real-time service.
That brings us to 720. Okay. I think this was my last trade. And by looking at that, it's pretty much a gap close. We take that view up. Internal gap close as well. So it doesn't mean it's not going to go lower. But it's okay. I think it's enough for today. Okay, let's stop here. Like and subscribe if you like the content. if you find it informative, interesting. See you.